Tri-5 time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop. Real deal Bel Air, which you can decode from the data tag, and of course the VC VIN, so original V8 car, and with that C designation, true Bel Air. Let's take a look at the chrome and the bright work up front on this one. Looking good. The bumper, grille, headlight surrounds. Classic color combination with the red and white. 350 V8 power underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Power brakes. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on wide white wall, bias ply tires. Steel wheels, Chevy wheel covers. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see these panels are nice and straight. This car is actually coming out of long-term ownership. Previous owner had it for over 34 years. And you can see the bright work looks good up and down this passenger side. Interiors, the red and neutral, and a vinyl cloth combination. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, get into a few more details on the car, but let's finish taking a look at this passenger side. Again, panels nice and straight. Paint shows well. This is one of those cars that's been driven. Get in, have some fun, local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. True dual exhaust. Chrome in the rear bumper looking good also. Technicians did note new fuel pump gasket was added on this one. Brakes are 70% or better at all four corners. New front wheel cylinders and brake hoses have just been done. And FYI, the heater core was bypassed. And a little bit of seepage underneath the drivetrain of the car. But like I said, this is one coming out of a long-term ownership. And it was driven. This is a car, get in, turn the key, go have some fun. Let's take a look down this driver's side. You can see the paint has a nice shine to it. Again, bright work looks good. If you like these Tri-5 Chevys, no matter what models, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. If you can make it to see us in person, we always appreciate that. Door panels, looking good on this one. As far as the seat, no major rips, tears, holes. A little bit of wear on the piping, as you can see, where they kind of have that chrome laminate worn a little bit. Nothing that's going to stop you from driving and enjoying this car. Tech also noted there is an aftermarket temp gauge underneath the dash. That's the one that was working. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Getting small block Chevy power. Top of the dash looking good. Very stock looking dash. I want the headliner. Headliner looks good. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Door closes nicely. Say what you'd expect. Nice little rumble coming out of that small block Chev. There's also some extra taillights that will go with this, some miscellaneous parts. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. And once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out those still pics. Let me slip up to the front. I'm going to pop this hood. Let's get that open, check out the engine bay. And then as usual, stick around to the very end of this video. Jason will take you for a virtual ride, show you how this car drives out. Here's a good look at the underside of the hood. Electric pusher fan up here, looks newer. Also looks like we have a newer master cylinder, brake booster. Battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. Nice smooth running V8 underneath the hood. '56 Chevrolet Bel Air 2-door hardtop, real deal. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those stow pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we'll assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a very nice 1956 Chevrolet in red and white. It's an automatic on the column, so it's easy for anybody to drive. Right away, she feels like a reliable car. A classic, the 56 Chevy, between 55 and 7, of course. A lot of people love the 57s, they're just iconic. A little different, some people might say a little better, are the other 2 years. Very smooth running car. Our windshield wipers work. The blower motor works. Great looking interior, the red, the white, the chrome lines. Our speedometer's working as it should. Under the dash we have a coolant temperature gauge reading 160 and still rising. And the fuel gauge, which is the factory gauge, is showing a little less than half of a tank. Headliner looks good. Nice ride to this car. If I let go of the wheel, it stays right in the middle of the lane. Just enough rumble to let you know it's a V8. Smooth braking. Yeah, this just runs the way it should. It idled nice. Set its own idle a little high right from the start like it should, and then it came down. Corners nicely. Leans as much as you'd want it to feel the luxurious corners. And yet you get those sporty colors and great body lines on this car. Kickdown working well. Acceleration very good. Take a look at all the pictures of this 56 Chevy at UniqueClassicCars.com.